An underhand cap where you sweep over to an overhand cap, where you sweep back to an underhand cap, and sweep over to an overhand cap, and sweep back to an underhand cap. Okay, now do the big extension to the other side and cap here. And now we're going to swivel, come across the bottom and cap to the other side. And then underhand cap on the right. Do the extension, swivel to the left, overhand cap. And then do the extension across the front to the underhand cap. And then let's do a full 360, come all the way around into the underhand cap. Right, so over the top, left turn 360, back to underhand. And now let's do a right turn 360, back to underhand. And a left turn 360, back to underhand. And then a right turn 360, back to underhand. Now we're going to cap swivel to overhand on the left. And then let's do a right turn 360, back to overhand. Then a left turn 360, back to overhand. And a right turn 360, back to overhand. And a left turn 360, back to overhand. Now we're going to turn to the right, go into the 4-petal anti-spin. Now turn to the right again, and come out in the underhand cap. Now turn to the left in the 4-petal, and then turn to the left again into the cap. So we'll repeat that. Turn right into the 4-petal, then turn right again and come into the underhand cap, and then turn left into the 4-petal, and then left into the overhand cap. We'll just repeat that a couple more times. Turn right into the 4-petal, then turn right again into the underhand cap, and turn left into the 4-petal, and turn left again into the overhand cap. And then one more time, turn right into the 4-petal, and then turn right into the underhand cap, and then turn left into the 4-petal, and left into the overhand cap. And then left 360, back to overhand, and right 360, back to overhand, and then sweep back, double stall. Now we'll be an overhand cap on the right, and swivel left, and swivel to the right, and swivel left into the cap, and swivel right into the cap, and swivel left into the cap, and into the 4-petal anti-spin. Then we're going to turn right into the cap, and then turn left into the 4-petal anti-spin. Turn left into underhand, turn right into the 4-petal, turn right into the cap, turn left into the 4-petal, turn left into the cap, turn right into the 4-petal, turn right into the cap, and we'll do that 2 more times. Turn left into the 4-petal, turn left into the cap, turn right into the 4-petal, turn right into the cap, turn left into the 4-petal, left into the cap, and turn right into the 4-petal, and right into the cap. And then we'll do a left 360, and then a right 360, and a left 360, and a right 360, and then swivel to the left, and then a right 360, and a left 360, a right 360, and a left 360.